Well, this weekend's project is to get the bikes all packed up onto a crate and ready to ship to Iceland. We've been working hard at getting everything packed up, all of our luggage, all of our clothes, all of our cooking supplies, even some food, getting it ready to show up in Iceland. But the way it's going to get there is on this crate, and so the next job is to figure out how to get it on there. Well, crap. Trying to load the bike on the crate all by myself today, and yeah, well, it didn't go so well. It fell over, and I'm not real sure what I broke. I know I broke my mirror. I didn't break my windshield by the looks of it, but now I gotta figure out all this. Go for it.
Left?
Good. Yep. Yep. A little bit more, and you're gonna be good. Nice.
Okay.
You can let it down. Slow, too fast, keep going. Go, slower. Well, several hours later, and we managed to get it onto the trailer. With the help of a light post and a piece of angle iron, we managed to force it to get onto the trailer. The crate has now been dropped off at the loading dock, where I hope to get her picked up later, and it will begin their journey to Iceland and beyond.